What's up everybody, welcome to a daily Bitcoin update. Right now we are in the support confirmation phase of this falling wedge that I told you about in the yesterday's analysis. So right now, if certain conditions are met, there will be definitely opportunity for another big move. So if you are interested about this exact setup that I'm currently watching on Bitcoin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 12-hour chart. In the yesterday's analysis, we were breaking this falling wedge on the 12-hour chart, and you can see that right now we are trying to retest it and confirm here support. If there will be a support confirmation, then as I said in the yesterday's analysis, there can be a good opportunity for a long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case, you are placing under this this support area, which is between levels 61k950 approximately, and then 59k600. And the last take profit target placed somewhere around 85k, which will give you a decent risk reward ratio. Of course, there is absolutely zero guarantee that the price will get that high. So in this case, it's also really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take under these previous highs, then you can move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Then some of the profits take under this current all-time high, because in the long-term perspective, we are forming here a sideways channel, and then the rest of the profits you can take on these higher levels. So let's say in the end, the risk to reward will be like 4.85, something like that, which is in my opinion still really good. So yeah, this is the main setup that I'm currently watching on the 12-hour chart. But don't worry, we are also forming here other interesting setups. Another setup, which I also explained in the yesterday's analysis, the analysis is still valid, so you can go watch it, is to trade a support confirmation in this support area. And the only difference from trading this falling wedge is that in this scenario, we are opening a position somewhere in this support area, and the stop loss we are putting under that. But the last take profit target can remain the same, and let's say multiple take profit targets are also remaining the same. So yeah, this is another potential trading scenario that you can trade here. The risk to reward is here slightly worse, but we have here, let's say, much safer stop loss. So yeah, if there won't be that that support confirmation and the price will get back down there, then yeah, this is another long-term scenario that we can currently take here. And if you are interested about more information, you can watch yesterday's Bitcoin update. Let's now switch to a 30-minute time frame. Right now here we are forming this bearish order block, which is between level 65k 300 approximately, and then 64k 780. You can see that this is on the 30-minute chart really important resistance. So if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, it can actually give us a good opportunity for a scalp trade. Stop loss in this case you need to place under this previous week high and also under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown again and then a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down. So you simply don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And also the support confirmation here is important if you want to avoid fake out, because yeah, there is pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity and then that the price will reverse back down. But anyway, stop loss in this case, so as I said, under this bearish order block and under this previous week high, and your last take profit targets you can place under this second bearish order block, which is between level 71k 300 and 70k 700. So the potential risk to reward is like 7.5, but again, it's also important, even this will be like a scalp trade, to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take definitely under like this previous highs, then under this previous highs, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. And again, after you are taking some of the profits there, move your stop loss to entry or to a profit, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. And in the end, with multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be like 5, 5.2, 5.5. It of course depends on how big of a portion of that position you will take on each take profit. But yeah, for a scalp trade, I think this is another wonderful setup that we can trade here. If we take a look on a Bitcoin domination chart, you can see that we just broke here this resistance of this downtrend. So this can be one of the reasons that Bitcoin in the short time perspective, because we are still on the 4-hour chart, can outperform altcoins. Of course, again, this is also giving us like a certain probability, but if the conditions that I talked about in this video will be met, then I think that there can be, let's say, some really good opportunities to open some trading positions on Bitcoin. But anyway, the, let's say, main profit or like main area that I will be watching with the Bitcoin dominance is, let's say, the area between levels 55.8 and 56.5%, something like this. So if there will be that support confirmation, I think that the Bitcoin dominance can hit like those areas, so Bitcoin can outperform altcoins for like 1.6 to 2.7%, which is absolutely enough if we are, for example, taking that scalp trade. Because, for example, even the Bitcoin domination is falling, Bitcoin can still go up. But of course, you probably know what Bitcoin domination means. Let's now summarize that. On the 4-hour chart, it's looking for a perfect support confirmation, and the same goes for a 12-hour chart. And if you are gonna, for example, take this trade, then definitely, for example, use these order blocks on the 4-hour chart as your potential take profit targets. Also, another potential trading scenario will be valid in case of a support confirmation in this support area, but then don't forget to place your stop loss under this previous low, because if there will be again a breakdown, then the price is probably gonna test like this lower area. But in more detail, as I said, I explained this setup in the yesterday's Bitcoin analysis. But anyway, guys, if you want to know about my all analysis as soon as possible, I highly recommend you to first of all join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing their analysis on all the altcoins that I'm currently watching and that I find interesting, or just give me a subscribe, because every day I am uploading like 2 videos. One is every time on Bitcoin and one is on some, let's say, other altcoin that I'm watching right now, and on which, if certain conditions are met, I am planning to open some trading positions. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. I will be really happy if you give me that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, if you don't want to miss out on this, just give me a subscribe, and link to join to my Discord is in the description or in the comments. But anyway, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next analysis. See ya.